Ah, the humble dung beetle, nature's sanitation engineer. They may not be glamorous, but these tiny creatures play a vital role in our ecosystem. Did you know there are around 5,000 species of dung beetles worldwide? And they all have one thing in common: a love for dung. They eat it, lay their eggs in it, and even roll it into balls to navigate. But it's not just about the dung. Dung beetles are also excellent recyclers, returning nutrients to the soil and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. And their sense of direction is impeccable. Even on a cloudy night, they navigate using the Milky Way. So the next time you see a dung beetle, remember they're not just poop pushers, they're unsung heroes of the environment.